these things that you need to know so that you'll be able to make use of this video to execute your task. Please, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated on every video that is going to be uploaded here. And for the returning subscribers, thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you. So let's go to the okay. Like I said, let's get to business of the day. Now, as you can see, you are asked to um, create your repository, cd into your repository, create your directory and cd into your directory and create a readme file, which is this, before you start creating your file. As you can see, I've done this work. Let me go back to my repo. I'll cd back to my repo. This is it. This is it. This is a repository that I'm working on. Then we make directory. Know how to make your directory. I've created it before, but my own exists. You can see it's telling me file exists here. So since I've already have this file, for the sake of those who have not done it, that's why I'm creating it again. But the command is telling me that I have the file exist here. So what I would do is to cd into the repository, into the repository, which is this now. Um, I've done this. After that, what next are you supposed to do? If I list this file, you will see the file I've already created, which is this, and see their files. I've already created all of them, and this is my readme file. But how do you create a readme file? I hope all of us know it already. As you can see it here, you use echo to create it. So after creating your readme file, you will now do what? Start your task. So, but before that, you can see here, these are the steps. This is a step on um how to create do this work. First and foremost, you will create your files, which is this. You have to create your files from starting from task 0 to the end using vi to create. Then after creating your file, you have to create your main dot py file. Is a script given as an example. If you check under um your task pro task page, you see a place where they have a file, a script as an example like this. If you check, you will see where they write cats, this and this is a file attached below every task. So what you will do after creating your file, you will create the script given to you below the task using VI to create it, and you copy the code and paste. Then after that, you have to smud your file. You have to make it executable. Once you finish that, you can now do your git add, git commit, and git push. Like I said, if you check each and every task given to you to create, you will see a file. You will see a file called cats. Let me see. First task there is task zero. Task zero, which is this. Let me do it here so that I will not be misled. Let me do it. This is the file. I've already created it. Then you do your VI, you hit enter. As you can see, this is the file. Like I've already done them. This is the file, the script you are going to include on this particular task. So after you must have include this, you will hit your escape key You hit your escape key WQ, that is save and quit. You enter, then you will come under this file on your project tags, like tax 1. Under it you will see a file called 0/main.h. You will copy it and you use your VI to create it. Please do not copy it from the tag cart. Just copy only the file. I believe all of us know the functions of this cart and all that. So you're not going to copy from here to create this file. You only copy from here, then use VI to create it. You hit enter. Then here, since you are in your insert mode, under this particular file you've just copied, you want to create the script given to you below. You can see it there. Script given to you below. You will just copy that script. I believe all of us know where to copy from and where to stop. You copy that script and paste it here. Then after pasting, you will now do your WQ or whatever, that is save and quit. That once you have done that, you have successfully created this file. You have successfully created this file. Now, after creating this file, you will run your mod. You have make it executable. That if you want to do it one after another, you have to each of the tags you create it main.py file, then you make it executable. For the time's sake, if actually you don't want to waste your time doing it one by one, you will create all your files. You create all these files. As you can see them. You have to create all of them. We have already done this particular one. Then the next is this. You copy copy it and come here and do your PI, that is to create. You hit enter and you see the script here. You make sure is as it is in this place. Once you finish it, you hit your escape key, column and WQ, that is quick and save, and you create the main.py file attached under this particular task given to you. Let me take example this. I think I have it here. This. Okay. Look at it here. This is the file we just created. Then under it on your um, uh, tags given to us, on the task page given to us, you will see your main.h. Let me see. You will see your 1/main.py file. Under this, under it, you will see a script that has been given below as an example. You will copy it, then and put it here. How do you do it? You will just do your VI, you create this file again, and use your VI to create it. Just like the way I did the first one, you hit enter, and inside the file, inside this insert mode, you copy the script given below this inside here. After that, you hit your escape key control. Um, you hit your escape key, then column WQ to quit and save. That's how you'll be creating each files. You'll be creating each files. This is number one, this is zero, this is number one, and this is number two. Like this, you okay. This is the file. You will come here and use your VI to create the file. Once you do that, you will copy these scripts here and impute below here. Then after that, you hit your escape key, colon WQ. Then you will VI also the main.py file. That one you will see here, this is 2/main.py file. You will just copy it and use a VI to create it again. That's how you will do in all your files. You have to create all the files. After creating all these files, what again are you supposed to do? You will now run your chmod file, the code to make them executable, which is this. Now, as you can see this, we chmod, okay, let me say, normally if you want to create chmod this file one by one, you have to use chmod u plus s, then space the file name, then the file name to run it executable. Once you finish executing it, it will turn from this white color to green. As you can see here, that's exactly what I do in this place, and it has, it made them executable from turning them from white to green. So once you run this file, this like example, will copy here, that is this, then the file name, then the file name, you hit your enter. You understand? So, but in this case, you want to run all of them at once, you use asterisk here. This asterisk means to capture all these files, to run them all at once. Once you finish, it's going to turn all of them to this, to green. Then remember, you don't need to, run this as an executable file, which is your file, readme, and here, these two files, this 003 python.c and this, you don't have to make them executable. So what you will do after running all of them at once, you will now copy this file and run your chmod. In the place of plus, you're going to put minus x space. That should tell you to remove this from executable, like this. You hit enter. After that, you will copy your readme file, as well, and execute it to remove it from executable file. That's just that. Then after you must have finished all these processes, the next thing to do is to run your git add and run your git commit. You know how to put our commit message. Then you run your git push. After that, you check your code. After that, you check your code. That's just that. Thank you very much. And again, this is a script, I have it here. I'm going to include this file under the description of this video so that you can have it in your phone or in your system and make use of it. Thank you very much. And if today videos has helped you, please don't forget to hit the notification button, share, comment, and like. Please stay updated